Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore, the sales support and development point for BricsCAD in India. I am pleased to inform you that BricsCAD Civil has improved significantly in version 26 of BricsCAD, which was released just a couple of weeks back. It is now possible to round-trip AutoCAD map data from an AutoCAD drawing into BricsCAD, edit the data there and bring it back into AutoCAD. You can also natively create AutoCAD map object data within BricsCAD and bring it back to AutoCAD and open it. This opens up a huge area of opportunity for those who are working with map data in AutoCAD map and need to edit it, make changes, and then supply it back as AutoCAD map data. Until now, this required you to obtain a number of AutoCAD map licenses, but now you can push this work entirely into the BricsCAD platform and ensure that digitally accurate AutoCAD map data can be had back in AutoCAD while it was created in BricsCAD. This is something that's possible only with V26, and there is support for this both at the user level as well as at the API level, which means you can write Lisp or .NET or BRX code to do complete AutoCAD map data management in BricsCAD. Now, in countries like India, where there are hundreds of companies working for overseas companies and working with a lot of AutoCAD map data, this is a huge budget saver because now they can use BricsCAD as the platform to do all their AutoCAD map related work. We have given this a try using the Lisp API as well as .NET, and it works perfectly well. If you need more info, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will be more than happy to show you a completely new way for you to execute your AutoCAD map projects without really having to purchase multiple licenses of AutoCAD map. And this is possible only with BricsCAD V26. So if you have not updated, please do so now. If you have not tried BricsCAD, this is your best opportunity to try BricsCAD now. Thank you.